Welcome! In this beginner-friendly tutorial, I'll show you how to use VinSolutions step by step. We'll cover lead management, customer tracking, sales workflows, and dealership tools to help you improve automotive sales performance. Are you looking to drive your dealership to the next level? Meet VinSolutions, the ultimate auto dealership and CRM software built to boost your sales, streamline your workflow, and keep your customers coming back. In this video, we will walk you through how VinSolutions can transform the way you manage leads, connect with customers, and grow your business all in one powerful platform. So let's begin. Now, the first thing that you should do, visit the official website, which is going to be VinSolutions.com. On the top corner, you have an option to log in using your credentials, or click on the Get Started button. What will happen is just provide all the information you need, and then click on the Submit button. One of the VinSolutions sales staff will contact you and schedule a discovery call so that they can offer a tailored fit solutions to your business needs. But if you don't want to give any information, or maybe you're not comfortable providing any online details, don't worry, we got you. Because we can learn so much from VinSolutions by Cox Automotive by going to the main homepage. You would notice on the top corner, you have the solutions, integrations, resources, and about us section that we can explore. All right, so let's go to the solutions first. Now let's go to the CRM. VinSolutions CRM is a software that helps car dealerships manage and track all their customer interactions from the first contact to final sale and even after sales follow-up. So the thing is, it organizes customer info, communication history, and sales opportunities all in one place. So salespeople can see who needs follow-up, schedule appointments, send emails or text, and personalize their approach to each customer. All right? Now, the next is going to be the desking. So, the desking tools here in VinSolutions can help you and the dealerships build vehicle purpose deals quickly and accurately because it allows sales teams to create multiple payment options, for example, lease, loans, cash for a customer, run credit checks, calculate trade-ins, taxes, fees, and finalize pricing, all while staying compliant with financial regulations. And then there's going to be the predictive insights. So it's going to be a smart feature that uses data to predict a customer's next move because it analyzes customer behavior and dealership data to tell sales teams with which customers are most likely to buy, when to reach out, and what type of vehicle or offer to suggest, making the sales process more efficient and targeted. Now we're going to go to the next section, which is going to be the Automotive marketing platform. So it's going to be a marketing tool set designed specifically for dealerships because it creates and sends customized ads and, of course, messages to customers, helping dealerships promote their inventory, special offers, service appointments, and more. All right, you can keep customers engaged and drive them back to the dealership. And last is going to be the virtual sales assistant. It's your digital helper that supports sales reps in managing the daily tasks. So it automates routine activities like following up with leads, sending reminders, scheduling appointments, and notifying salespeople about important customer updates, freeing them up to focus more on closing deals. Now, if we go to the integrations, these are going to be some of the integrations with VinSolutions. You can connect Cox Automotive's full suite of dealership solutions to deliver next-level customer experiences, improve sales, and of course, exceed business goals. How? You can click to see the Cox Automotive integrations, all right? If you go here, there's a lot. AutoTrader, Dealer.com, DealerTrack, Kelly Blue Book, Xtime, VAuto, Deal Central, and a lot more. All right, so these are going to be some of your options. But the good thing about VinSolutions is that you can learn so much by going to these resources hub. Now, let's go to the resource center. Basically, it's a big library of materials for users, It includes all of these articles, white papers, ebooks, webinars where you can watch, all right, and videos to help dealerships or their teams get better at using VinSolution tools and improving business overall. All right, think of it as your self-study zone for extra learning. Not only that, you have the performance management. So VinSolutions offer performance managers for real people who work directly with dealerships. So this section is about tracking how well you are using the system, helping you set goals, improve your CRM usage, and maximize your sales and service operations. It's like having a personal coach for your dealership's tech performance. Now, you also have the client resources. This is going to be the members only area wherein it contains tools, guides, and onboarding materials, product updates, user manuals, and best practices specifically for dealerships that are active VinSolution clients. All right, it's everything you need to run things more smoothly after you've signed up. There's going to be the help center. This is the customer support area where users can submit support tickets, search FAQs, troubleshoot common problems, and find step-by-step instructions for fixing or even understanding something about the VinSolutions CRM platform. All right. In the VinSolutions, you have the topics for communication desking until FAQs. The My Cases, contact support. You can also reset your bridge password. And the good thing is they also offer the E-Academy. All right. It's a new feature here in VinSolutions. All you have to do if you wanted to enroll is provide all of the information needed, and that's subject for approval. All right. Now, let's go quickly to the What's New section. This is for updates, news, features, software upgrades, system improvements, or some upcoming releases. So it helps a user stay informed about changes and how they might affect their workflow and impact of them. All right. So last is going to be a section for the testimonials. You can have a real customer stories where you will find dealership owners, managers, and staff talking about how VinSolutions has helped them, boosting sales, improving customer relationships, or making daily work easier. Basically, your social proof to build trust with potential new users. All right. Now, again, do not be afraid to click the Get Started because all you have to do is schedule a VinSolutions demo. Provide all the information needed, and then one of the sales staff will contact you so that they would know how they can offer a tailored fit solutions to your business needs. And having said all of that, that's it for today's video on our dive into VinSolutions of the all-in-one CRM and dealership management tool, right? And again, if you found this video helpful, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and hit subscribe for more software reviews and tutorials just like this one. And if you got questions about VinSolutions or want me to cover another CRM, thank you very much for watching this complete step-by-step guide. I hope this video helped you understand how to use VinSolutions CRM to manage leads, improve customer relationships, and boost your automotive sales performance. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more practical CRM, business, and software tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.